Welcome here to Clifford House. We're located in downtown Bridgeport, Connecticut. We are 101 apartments of project-based Section 8 and low-income housing tax credits. It was acquired back in 2022, and we took over management and started the renovation.
The renovations are appreciated, and so I'm really grateful for the place.
Well, the floors, we had carpeting, but now we have this beautiful hardwood floors. I love the hardwood floors and the new windows.
The bathroom was done over with a new shower, vanity, toilet bowl, all ADA certified because it has the bars now for safety.
We have a ton of vegetables growing, tomatoes. It's a community garden, and all tenants are welcome to come and participate and plant whatever they like.
Come down in the morning. Usually I water in the morning just before the sun comes up because I don't want the leaves to stay wet, and essentially they need to be watered.
And we distribute it to other tenants and whoever's interested in getting a piece of our garden.
There is a beautiful new gym that is located on the top floors with a beautiful vista. We also have a craft space and lobby on each floor. So the residents can spend time and mingle in the common areas before they go into their units.
When I first saw the apartment, what they did, and I said, this is it, I got my home.